What would make a real difference to you right now? That's the big question we've been asking our customers and leading veterinary experts from all around about the world to find out what the market really wants. The more we asked, the more we realised that the industry was ready for a dramatic change in sheep drenching and worm control. Sheep farmers everywhere agreed that their future success was about being in control, and that got us thinking.
Regular drenching and sound farm management practices combine to give effective worm control. It's about improving growth rates, increasing production, and getting the most profitable result from our stock. To do this, we need a well-managed animal health program. There are so many brands out there with differing active ingredients, different formulations and combinations. You really need professional advice to avoid your business suffering the cost of drench resistance. If you're going to invest time and money drenching your flock, you want the peace of mind to know it's going to make the difference.
In recent years, research on anthelmintic resistance has highlighted the threat that this emerging disease now poses to the livestock industry throughout the world. As a result of the drug resistance issue, the livestock industry has for many years been hoping that the animal health industry would develop novel products for dealing with this problem.
It's really important today for sheep farmers to understand what worm burdens they have on their farms. As the levels of resistance increase, farmers have less products to choose from. The levels of resistance will always be different on each farm, which means there's no single right answer for everyone. By regularly testing for resistance, you can be sure you're using the right drench for your farm, and that will help you increase productivity for today and for the future.
You set us a huge challenge to find a new molecule and to bring it to market fast. We brought together experts in safety, efficacy, formulation and delivery. Their task was to deliver a product that would make a real difference to you.
Each year we test thousands of compounds to identify the few ones that show activity against nematodes. Even then, there's never a guarantee that we will ever succeed. In the case of Zolvix, we had to prepare more than 1,000 analogues to finally discover monopantel.
Monopantel is so special because it acts on the nervous system of worms. You can see under the microscope how worms get paralyzed. It is so different because it acts on a novel receptor which occurs in gastrointestinal worms, even in those ones which are resistant to currently available drugs. But Zolvix is a groundbreaking advance in anthelmintics.
It may be an effective molecule, but it has to be in the ideal formulation for farmers. Our customers told us that they want drenches which lower dose volumes which are easier to administer. We went through hundreds of different formulations before we found the one which delivered the optimum result.
Treating sheep in a lab environment is one thing. We also needed to confirm the product would be just as reliable when farmers treated their flocks. We therefore tested Zolvix on more than 1,400 sheep in 41 flocks across New Zealand, Australia, France, England and Scotland. That's why we're confident Zolvix will work for you.
Sheep, be it adults or lambs, tolerate the treatment very well. Of course, we have also to demonstrate that it's safe to the farmers handling the product and also to the environment and ultimately for the consumers of any sheep produce. It was a huge challenge and took us more than 4 years of work with at least 7 companies around the world. We are proud to have demonstrated an impressive safety profile.
Safety and efficacy are all important, but then so too is usability. We asked hundreds of farmers from all over the world to tell us what would make drenching easier. We looked at the entire system from packaging to the drench gun and have delivered innovations at every stage. Control isn't just about efficacy, it's also about giving the most accurate dose and producing the most profitable sheep.
The OptiLine is a complete departure from anything on the market. We wanted to make drenching more comfortable, more reliable and easier for a wide range of people, irrespective of the number of sheep they have to drench. The result is a drencher designed specifically for Zolvix. We believe it's as revolutionary and unique as the product itself.
All this sounds great, but our customers don't just take our word for it. As part of the registration process, we backed up our science, technology and systems, and we submitted it to the regulatory authorities around the world for approval.